How to give your food Asian, gourmet, and exotic flavors. Welcome to the winner's tips for giving your foods the best taste to dazzle your taste buds. Here you'll learn how to be an amazing expert in the kitchen and give your foods the flavors of Asian aroma, Chinese, Japanese, and Thai, a touch of Indian taste, gourmet taste for sweet tooths, exotic finery. Asian aroma, Chinese, Japanese, and Thai. Chinese, Japanese, and Thai food has long been a favorite taste in the West. Some very popular vegetables that are used as the base for these recipes are bean sprouts, bell peppers, broccoli, carrot, celery, cucumber, mushrooms, and bamboo shoots, which are really great for the taste. Just beware that many suppliers use sulfur dioxide as a preservative for bamboo. Seasonings. For most dishes, people like to use soy sauce and its substitutes, coconut amino, nama shoyu, or tamari, but the Asian taste goes far beyond that. Many Asian recipes use rice as part of the dish and rice vinegar with the cooking. Apple cider vinegar, a healthier option, gives a strong sour taste suitable for achieving the convincing result. Though different oils are used in Asian cooking, sesame oil is the strongest taste enhancer. A few drops are sufficient to create a strong Asian greasy gourmet taste, particularly for sweet and sour dishes. Lemon and lime are often used in sweet and sour dishes and give a more direct sour taste. Lime is more gentle and lemon more blunt. Maple syrup is a great ingredient for the sweet half of gourmet sweet and sour tastes. As for spices, garlic gives an edgy flavor. Scallions and green onions give the fresh taste. Ginger is sharp and adds edge, especially in Chinese recipes. Onions are sometimes used to give a slightly more sweet flavor when fried over long periods of time. A similar result can be achieved with long dehydration. A popular spice mix that is often used to enhance Asian cuisine is the traditional 5-spice, consisting of star anise, cloves, cinnamon, Szechuan pepper, and fennel seeds. For peppery taste, you can use chili peppers for a hot taste, Szechuan peppers for a more delicate taste, and nutmeg for a lighter grounding taste. A touch of Indian taste. India is a very large country divided into many states with different cooking traditions. The following is a generic quick starter guide. Use cumin seeds or powder, onions, and tomatoes as the base for your recipe with the addition of turmeric. Onion and tomatoes are the top ingredients in many curry dishes. As for the seasonings, garlic is sharp in taste, coriander and cinnamon are soft, ginger gives a slight fresh taste, and asafoetida is greasy in flavor. You can always add chili for the hot taste, or paprika if you want a more mild red pepper taste. Many supermarkets sell a spice blend called curry powder that aims to achieve a generic curry taste. Garam masala is the traditional spice blend that achieves this result. It's much more mild and to the Western taste buds, more authentic and exotic in flavor. It can be found in most supermarkets and Asian shops. Gourmet taste for sweet tooths. The secret to getting sweet desserts to taste gourmet is to take the flavor a step away from sweet-at-home tastes. Cinnamon, for example, is excellent at creating that sweet at home, so we won't use that one. In cooked cuisine, coffee is sometimes added to create a rough gourmet edge. Fruit liquors are used to create a more exotic blend. Healthier options are vanilla, very round, creamy, and fine in its taste. Almond extract, which has a rare combination of sharpness with exotic direction. Rose petals are flower-based and enriched taste in a round direction. Lemon zest comes from a non-sweet fruit and enriches the taste by adding both freshness and sharpness. To avoid pesticides, use organic, well-washed lemons. Peach and cherries are like adding an expensive liquor to a recipe. Both are strong in taste and help add an exotic edge to gourmet sweetness. Exotic finery. The best things come last. This one is almost all about fruit. Fruit coming from tropical and warm countries are the very definition of exotic. Mango is warm in taste, peach and cherries a bit more delicate. Both cherries and raspberries can have a strong, fresh yet round flavor, and pineapple is sharp and mouth-watering. Almond extract has a slight sharp gourmet direction. Rose petals are also gourmet but light, and vanilla is round and creamy. Of course, these are just enhancers because the best exotic taste is achieved with fruit. This concludes the final lesson in this module. We hope you enjoy some spectacular vegan tastes and feel confident when you experiment in the kitchen.